Hey guys, it's Cara, welcome back to the Rambutina channel. Today I am doing a Deramores yarn haul. I'm so excited. I bought a bunch of yarn to stack up my DK yarn shelf for my mood blanket. I noticed I was missing a few shades, so I thought I'd pick up some different types of yarn from all different types of brands to test them out and see which one I like. But yeah, let's open up this bad boy. So yeah, I am actually opening this on screen. I've never done that before, so this is really exciting. And I have all the prices on my phone, so I can read out the prices as we go. There's an added VAT £4.95 at the end, so yeah. And I also got a bunch of deals from Honey, which saved me like £6 or something. So all of this yarn came to £29.69, which is crazy, under £30. I couldn't believe it. Yeah, if you have never shopped with Deramores before, I will leave my referral link in the description box below to get £5 off, and then we can, you know, share our Dara points, which means free yarn. So yeah, I'll have all the information in the description box below, all the links, all the names of the yarn and the prices and blah blah blah. I'll have that all in the description, so make sure to check that out. Yeah, let's open it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, okay. I see a bright pinkishy purple. First of all, ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. I didn't think to have some scissors on me. I'm just having to rip this open, but it's fine. Oh, that is very bright. I was not expecting that. Green. Can you see that? That is a bright green. I was not expecting that. Anyway. Okay, so let's start off with this, I guess. It's the King Cole Price Wise double knitting, and the colour is cerise. There, you can see it there. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's this really bright purpley pink colour. That is so bright and vibrant. That's so fun. So yeah, 100 grams, 100% acrylic. Ooh, so fun. Okay, I really like that. I think that's the only one I got in this sort of colour. But yeah, there we go. There's the first one. Let's check out this green, because oh my goodness, okay, it's way more highlighter, like neon green in real life. I don't think my camera can pick up this colour because it's that bright, but it is a very vibrant neon green and it's called Lime. Wow, it's so bright. And this is the same King Cole Price Wise, so I must have got two of those. Oh no, I have more. Let's see how much the Price Wise was. £1.07 was, I got this one for £1.07, which is so good. What was it? Lime again was £1.07. Cool. And I definitely got the 10% off because I bought more than 10 balls. Yeah, I don't actually know how many balls I ended up getting, but we'll count. So I got another Price Wise in a light blue shade, and what are you called? You're called Baby Sky. How much? I'm guessing, oh, this one was £1.08, but it is the same King Cole Price Wise double knitting, and this is in Baby Sky. So nice. Yeah, I was missing some light blues in my collection because light blue is calm and I only had one. You can see it there. So yeah, this is great. I can add that to that. Ooh, okay. Oh, this is so nice. Look at that. Okay, this is Hayfield Bonus DK Extra Value. 100 grams. Oh yeah, I didn't say how many meters are on the Price Wise. Price Wise is 320 yards, 290 meters. So that's the Price Wise one, King Cole. This one is, hang on. This was 100% acrylic, 100 grams, 306 yards and 280 meters, and this is in this shade Aloe. So yeah, that's a nice light teal colour. That is great. Or maybe, would you class this as teal or aqua? Maybe aqua actually. But yeah, that's the Hayfields. Let's see how much that one was. Oh, it's right at the bottom. £1.11 for that one. So nice. Okay. Did I read out everything? I've got to make sure I read out everything. It's the grams, the meters, the fibres. I think they're all 100% acrylic. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And they're all DK. I don't know if I mentioned that. Well, yeah, because they're double knitting. They're all DK yarn. Okay, next up we have got this dark purple. Yeah, I needed some cool purples because a lot of my purples in my collection were all warm, so I needed to pick up some cool ones. So this is the Patterns Fab DK. 100 grams, 100% acrylic. Let's see what the meters are on this one. Oh, it's always so tricky trying to find them. I don't think this one does. It just says, it has a little diagram of how many grams you should get for what project you're working on. So, I don't know, am I just really... Anyway, I don't think this one has... Oh no, it's there! Look at that, it's right next to the 100 grams, 274 meters. And this one is in the colour... Oh, it has a number, 02313, but surely it had a name. Hang on, let's see. Purple. This is the colour purple, and that one was £1.20. So we've got 5 so far. Then we have a Stylecraft Special Double Knit. I love this one. Oh, itchy nose. 100 grams. 100% premium acrylic, 295 meters, 322 yards, and this is in the colour teal, literally teal, and it's perfect for my teal colour. So yeah, I can mix this in with the Mood Flower blanket, so I love that one. Oh, how much was that one? £1.63. £1.63 that one. Okay, next. Have another light blue. Yeah, I really needed light blues. They look pretty identical, but this one's a bit more yellow. Yeah, this one's a bit more cool toned, this one's a bit more warm. And this one is the Super Soft Baby Double Knit by James C. Brett. Look at that label, so cute. 100% acrylic, 100 grams. No meters on this one. No. The shade is BB5. There you go. This one was £1.33, I believe. Yeah. So cute, and they're all really soft. So, next up, we got another green. That is a nice green. That is a bright medium green. I needed this because I didn't really have many. Yeah, I'm missing, okay, you can't see, but I'm missing more cool toned greens that are medium, in like the medium tone shade. So this is the Signet DK 100 grams, 100% acrylic, 298 meters, and it's in the shade Apple, which is super fun. So yeah, that one, I love Signet. I always pick this up when I'm out and about because you find this a lot around the UK. This one is £1.14. Oh my gosh, there's so much more to go through. Okay, we've got another Patterns Fab DK, and this is in the shade 2312, but I'm pretty sure this one's called Air Force. Yes, Air Force, and this one was £1.20, and this is kind of a blue-grey colour, which is in my mood blanket. That's Tired, and I was only using one colour for Tired because I only had one. So this is really great. Yeah, same thing again, 100 grams, 274 meters in this blue-grey colour. Yep, that one. Okay. Ooh, another green. Okay. Hayfield Bone SDK again, extra value, 100 grams. Same thing, 100% acrylic, 360 yards, 280 meters. This is in the shade Grass. So yeah, that's a really nice medium green that I was missing from my collection, and that is £1.10. So good. Crazy. All that yarn. I love it. Ooh, we've got a blue. Oh, this looks like very similar to the blues I already have, to be honest. Again, this is another Hayfield one, so we know what's in that one. And this is in the shade Bluebell. Let's have a look. £1.11 for that one. I'm just gonna let Marco out, scratching at the door. We have another blue-grey colour, and this is Signet DK. Ooh, this one's nice because it's got different shades in there. There's like a speckles of grey in there. That's really nice. And this one is Bluebell. So that one's called Bluebell. And so is this. How funny. Anyway, so yeah, that will be great for my blue-grey colour. So that again is tired. Yeah, I wanted a bunch of different, you know, shades or different yarns to use for each mood, because I didn't want to just stick to one colour because I know I'm gonna run out. So it's great to like mix it up. So this one is £1.14. So yeah, as you can see, I got a lot of greens and blues, even though, you know, I've got a lot of blues and greens, but not the specific shades or whatever. Ooh, another. Is this one of the purples? Yeah, I think this is Lilac. I think this looks quite different on the website. This is another Patterns Fab DK Lilac, if it's 2314, yeah. £1.19. So yeah, that's that one. I like that. It's not a really light lilac, it's a medium lilac. That's really nice actually. So yeah, that will be in the cool purple bit, and that's nice because I just like picked up dark purples, but look at that, that's so light. Yay! I'm so happy with that one. Okay, next up we have some more. Oh, this is like an aqua. Oh wow, yeah, it looks very bright on camera. This is Hayfield Bone SDK again. And this is in the shade Lagoon. It's a nice aqua, turquoise colour. £1.10. So happy. Oh my gosh, there's still so much more to go. Oh, another green. So this is another King Cole Price Wise double knitting one. I said Price Wise really strangely. And this is in the colour Forest. Love that. £1.07. I think these must have been the cheapest then, the Price Wise. Crazy. So good. And this, again, you find a lot in stores in the UK. And I swear these are like £1.95 a ball. And on here, on Deramores, what? I got it for £1.07. That is incredible. Anyway, Forest Green. Goes with my hair. Ooh, a bright blue. I wonder what colour family this was supposed to be in. I think it was supposed to be in teals, but it's looking very blue. Or maybe aqua. This is again another Price Wise by King Cole. And this is in the colour Surf. Yeah, I think £1.07. Again, I think this was supposed to be in the teal colour group, but I'm not too sure. It looks a bit too blue for that, but that's fine. We'll figure it out. Maybe it's an aqua. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. Oh, I did buy another pinky purpley colour. Oh. I reckon I just picked this one up because I really liked the colour. This is a Stylecraft Special Double Knit. And this is in the shade Magenta. And this one is magenta. Oh, it's right at the top. £1.63. So I think this one's the most expensive, the Stylecraft. Yeah. But yeah, what colour group will that be in? I'm not too sure because it's like a, well yeah, it's magenta, it's like a purple, warm purple. But anyway, I really like it, so there's that one. Okay. Another Hayfield bonus DK in this bright green. This is in the shade Emerald. I feel like I've already hauled this one. Did I get two? They are starting to look very similar, but once I put them all together, we're gonna be like, oh yeah, they look nothing alike. What did I say this one was? Emerald. £1.10 for that one. And these must have all been £1.10. I have to keep checking them because some of them will be like slightly different for some reason. Okay. We got another green, Patterns Fab DK, and this is in the shade 2341, and let me check what that name is. In the shade name Fern, and that is £1.19. It's a really nice medium green colour as well. Got a lot of medium greens because that's what I was missing. I buy a lot of light greens and a lot of dark greens, but no medium yellowishy greens because I like my bluishy greens, but I bought a bunch of yellowy greens because I was missing that from my collection. I think, yep, there's two more. Oh. Aha, another teal colour. This is King Cole Price Wise, double knitting in the shade Jade. I have a feeling I've bought this one before and I was running low. £1.07. Nice. And then the very last one is Deramores Studio Anti-Pilling DK. This is definitely my favourite from Deramores. It is the softest. And I only bought one ball of it because they didn't have many shades in stock that I needed. So I picked up this one, and this one's called Jade as well. How funny. We ended on two Jades, £1.17. It's showing up a bit more blue on my camera, but it is a bit more green. Perfect teal colour as well. Yeah, oh, I'm so upset I only bought one of these because they are literally so dreamy and soft, but yeah, they didn't have many of these other shades that I needed to get in this type of yarn, so maybe I'll check again later on to see what I might need from this. Yeah, this one's my favourite. Anyway, it's 100% acrylic, 250 meters or 273 yards. And yeah, I highly recommend this one. I mean, I recommend them all. I like them all. But yeah, that is everything. I'm gonna quickly count how many I got. 221. I bought 21 100-gram balls and it came to £29. £29.69. That is such a good deal. Like, all of them were about £1 something each, which is really, really good. Yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know, you know, what your favourite DK yarn is, which one, you know, you suggest I check out. Yeah, make sure to check the description for all the links to Deramores. Yeah. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting.